Hi everyone, this is a summary of the examination of movement in this axillary nerve case. As with any range of motion assessment, you would probably want to rule out above and below. Again, overpressure is fine as long as active range of motion is full and pain-free. In this particular case, you might have some irritation with cervical movement just because of the pathway for the nerve root into the peripheral nerve. So the key distinction here is nerve root versus peripheral nerve. The symptoms are going to be the same, i.e. weakness and different sensation, but the signs, in other words, how the weakness and where the altered sensation are going to be the things that differentiate a peripheral nerve from a nerve root. Normally you test bilaterally and again follow that active passive resisted type of movement. For range of motion here, you might see an alteration to the scapulothoracic rhythm. Certainly, as was identified in the discussion threads, abduction and external rotation might be weak. The suggestion here is to look for trick moves that might help with abduction. Passively, nothing really remarkable unless you're really stretching out the nerve. And from a resisted point of view, again, weak abduction and external rotation. So that's it for now. I will close this off. I will also post up a video of an actual case of someone with an axillary nerve issue. Thanks, and keep posting.